Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to upload high quality videos on Instagram. So let's dive right in. First, you have to open your Instagram app and make sure it is in the latest version. So if it is not, go update it in the App Store or Play Store. Next, click your profile icon at the bottom right corner and click the three lines icon at the upper right corner. After that, go to the settings icon and go to account tab. In here, click the cellular data use and find the media upload quality section. Now just toggle on the upload at highest quality and that's it. You can now upload high quality videos on Instagram. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.